Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from JustMarkets to Binance. So first of all, you have to go to your JustMarkets wallet. You have to log into your JustMarkets by tapping on to register or login. If you previously had an account, then you have to move to the My Accounts option. So after going to My Accounts, here at the top left corner, the second option you can see is funding. You have to simply tap on the fundings. After clicking on fundings, you can see this option withdrawal. Tap onto withdrawal. Also you can see this option wallet. Just tap onto it and then you will be redirected to this site, and then enter your details, and then you have to tap on to continue. This option you have to tap onto it, and then you have to head over to your Binance account, and from there you have to go to your deposit crypto, this option. By going to deposit crypto, then you have to tap on to crypto deposit, and you have to verify your ID. Make sure your ID is verified. Okay, tap on to verify now. Also you can deposit money from here. At the top right corner you can see deposit money. You just have to tap onto it, and then you have to choose JustMarkets as a payment method. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can withdraw money from JustMarkets, or even deposit money from JustMarkets to Binance. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you in the next video.